cleared to proceed.
Hard right, hard right. Stop right there.
Large rotary washing machines thoroughly clean every pineapple leaf. High-pressure water jets remove dirt, sand, and field residue from both sides. The extracted pineapple fibers pass through advanced cleaning machines. Rotating combs remove dust, short fibers, and tiny remaining impurities. The cleaned pineapple fibers enter large automated blending machines. Natural plant bases fibers are carefully mixed. The woven fabric enters large industrial washing and softening machines. Natural plant-based solutions gently penetrate.
Strength is optimal. No weak spots detected manually. Softness and flexibility are perfect. The softened fabric moves into giant eco-friendly dyeing machines. Natural textile dyes color every fiber. The dyed fabric passes through long heat-setting chambers. Temperature-controlled rollers permanently stabilize the fabric's.
Automated sewing machines stitch every fabric panel with exceptional precision. Skilled operators monitor each sewing station throughout.
Here are the documents for the international shipment to Dubai.
Perfect, I'll load these onto the priority pallet. 42 cartons confirmed on the manifest. Straps look good. Proceed with the seal.